Hello. This time I am doing a review for a home it bed tray table with folding legs and breakfast tray, bamboo bed table and bed tray with legs. That's what the Amazon description says. Seems like it was repetitive to me. But anywho, this is it. Now I had wrote a review that the legs stayed whenever it was put up, but this one's now starting to fall down. I think if the screws could be tightened, it'll be okay. It has handles to carry. The legs come out. Now it's just a matter of tightening it. This is finished. No problem with splinters. It is a bamboo construction. It is free lifetime guarantee. The tray is 19 by 12 by 9.5. It's easy to clean. Overall, it's a nice tray. And that's really about it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe.